Okay guys, we're gonna try this once again and hopefully it'll work this time. Alright, Hubson is ready to fly, and so we will ask it to take off, and it's not taking off. It's doing something weird. Weak signal. It says it's connected, so it should refresh and connect. I don't know what's going on, guys. So, of course, you just do the update, and the update messes up the bird. Aircraft disconnected. This is why I don't like doing updates, because then the update just messes up everything that you do. Everything that you do gets messed up by the update. Do you love the updates? No. No thank you. Just stop it. Just stop it. So now we have to do the whole thing again. And now maybe it'll take off. Are you sure you want to take off? Sure. Oh, it lost the tracking already. So that was not that good. Let's see. It lost it again. I think it struggles.